Welcome back. I'm Julian at Just Inspired, and I'm happy that you decided to join me. Today I've got an ASUS laptop that has been sent to me by Nick, and he said, "Hi Julian, as I mentioned in my email, I've pinged the metal clip from the battery connector onto the board, about 2 centimeters onto the board, causing sparks and a short. Works fine, but the battery is not charging. Many thanks." Well, I am happy to try and help. I hope I can do something. I'm a bit nervous about this one because it is looking like quite an expensive laptop. Zenbook Flip 13. So yeah, I've been trying to steel myself up for this one. But yeah, I guess we've got to the point where we need to have a look. God knows he's waited long enough for it, so let's see if we can help. If not, maybe I can suggest somebody who can. Anyway, let's get it open and see what we've got. First, I just want to check it out, make sure it's powering on. If we still have enough battery power in it. Okay, so I've got my USB-C meter, that's plugged into my PD charger. (19.2, 3.04 amps). Oh, laptop's coming on. Choose an operating system. Oh, too late. Right, so we're at an ASUS Zenbook OLED screen. Right, so battery is showing 0%. Smart charging is on. Okay, now that it's shut down, I'm seeing just 10 milliamps on the charger, which is about right for a motherboard with no battery attached. So let's open it up. T5, right. Put the screws in the nice pot. We had a couple of nice sunny days this week, and I was really hoping that it would last long enough for me to cut the grass this weekend, but unfortunately the weather had other plans, and I really wanted to cut the grass. It looks a mess. So I'm guessing he changed the battery or something. I'm not sure why. Maybe he was cleaning it. I'm not entirely sure why that happened. That's a lot of battery. Oh, I guess it had a new battery fitted, or used battery fitted. Let's go under the microscope and see what we can find. So we've got the battery connector here. So that just slides forward and then that pops up. It is easy to get that metal clip caught when you're pulling this up. Looks like a little mark there, maybe. That's an interseal chip. So plus is on this side, so that one there. I'm not sure what happened to my meter software, but it's decided to not load anymore. Well, it loads, but then it just, when I click connect, it just says not responding and it just freezes. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. I need to restart my computer, I think. But let's just have a quick look. So this track here goes to this solder jumper. And that MOSFET. Okay, so the MOSFET is not shorted. Right, so I've got my meter software running again by restarting the computer. So I want to have a look at the voltages we've got coming in. I can't find anything shorted, so what I will do is temporarily put the battery back on. Right, then I want my power. Oh, here we go. 13 volts, which is passing through the current sense resistor. And then it's ending up at this MOSFET. And then I'm assuming there's nothing coming out the other side of the MOSFET. Oh no, we do. Let me unplug the meter. Okay, so what we're seeing is the battery voltage. And that is coming back through here. Yeah. Okay, I'm confused now. Alright, so that battery is 15.48. 15.48. So 13 volts would be rather low. And we have 13.8 on the battery. Well, it's saying the battery is 1% full. So it's not saying there's no battery attached to it. It's definitely running off the battery, but the battery is 1%, so it's correct, it's not being charged. So if it's enough to run the laptop, surely it should be high enough to charge. So why isn't it charging? Let's have a look under here. Right, so what about this interseal chip? 92418H. Let's have a look. So on the interseal chip, Pin 17 is supposed to be the input, so that's our input here. Yeah, we've got 19 volts, and VBAT is 31. So we have 32 pins on this, so 31 going to the battery. $14.2. VBAT is 14.2, which kind of makes sense, doesn't it? I don't know, I'm confused now, I have no idea. So it looks like the battery charging chip is working, interseal chip is working. Why is that voltage not getting to the battery? It's gone up. Hey. Voiceover Julian here. At this point, after watching the footage, I'm realizing that I'm so dumb. It has to be the battery. There can't be any other issue with this laptop. Anyway, I'm going to get a battery and try it and see how that goes.
One nap later.
So before I give up on this one, because I couldn't really find an issue to speak of, I did speak to Soren about this one, and he said if I can't sort it, get it over to him, which I will do. But in the meantime, I just want to try a different battery, because I thought about changing the battery anyway, and then Nick, the owner, said, have I thought about it might be the battery that's actually got the problem, that got shorted out. So it could be. So I think before we send it off, let's try a battery. So I've got a cheapy battery here from Amazon, and if it doesn't work, then no harm, no foul. I can get it sent back. So let's give it a try. So I don't want the metal clip pinging off again, so we shall make sure we use the microscope for this one. Right, so that looks like the correct battery. So I'll try and plug it in without removing the old one. Like that. And now I will try it with the charger. I've got my USB meter. Put that in there. I don't believe it. No, that's the laptop booting up. Ha, he fooled me. That's the laptop starting up. So, although it is plugged in, it isn't charging. And the reason for that, I found out after being a bit confused, is that there is a setting in the My ASUS software where it's on balanced mode, and it only charges the battery up to 80% to preserve the life of the battery. And because of that, obviously it's showing as if it's not charging at all, because it's past 80%. It came fully charged basically, or almost fully charged. So I'm gonna use it for a bit off of the mains, so let's unplug that, make sure it drops below 80, and then make sure it is actually charging, and then we can wrap this one up. So I'm gonna stop the video for a minute and come back when it's drained down. Right, I've left it, and it's been running YouTube videos for about an hour and a half, so let's plug in and try it. Nice. We have a charging light on the side, and it is drawing 2 amps Yeah, just going to make sure that goes up. So I'll leave it there. If it gets to 74%, we can be happy and shut it all down and get it back to Nick. Can you hear me? Yay! Nice. Right. Well, I'm very happy about that one. Let's get the bottom back on it and get it packed up and sent off. Thank you very much, Nick, for sending this in, and I'm sorry it took so long. And thank you very much if you decided to watch the video to the end. I really appreciate it. Until the next one, see ya.